Victorinox Hunter Pro with wood handle, Swiss knife, brand new. Locking system similar to the cold steel. Oh fuck. Yeah. Tip, maybe a tiny bit broken off, not too much. Some brittles maybe, could be. No, not more. Okay. Tip is nearly intact. Nearly intact, I think. Locking mechanism still working. These are the holes from the Victorinox. Not too bad. It did an amazing job at the car. Nice steps. No problem so far. As you can see, it has steel liners inside. And now the most important job for a knife. Can it open a beer? We will see. I would say that's a fail. Wasting beer now. I'm gonna go to prison for sure. Okay, let's start with the tip test. The tip is definitely off. We have an off tip. Yes, that's not a tip anymore. Edge retention. Okay, the edge is drilled out. Let's do some more. Okay, yeah, there's some rollings and stuff. Okay, that's the triad lock. I know it's not a triad lock, it's the Victorinox. Let's try the Victorinox. One hit. Yep. 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 Bam. Bam. Okay. It's closed. Open. 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 Okay. That locking mechanism is not the yellow from the egg. So it's inside, no problem, not much wiggle. Yeah, but when you hit it, just a tiny bit open. Okay. All right. That's not good. Tip test with the Victorinox. Nothing. Okay, I need a break. It's bent. It's bent. As always, they bend it back. Yes, now it's bent the other side, I think, or not. I don't know. Let's put it inside a little bit more and see what's gonna happen. Okay, first break. Break. Okay. Yeah, look. It's bent. Okay, it did it. No break. Okay, let's finish it off. Yeah, you see? It's bending inside the handle. It's flexing, that's good. You see? Not too bad. That's not too bad actually. Yeah. Okay, now finish it for real. Wow, look at this, man. That's amazing. This is amazing. It's not breaking. No. No. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow. That's pretty fantastic. And it's just a little bit bent. Wow. This is amazing. Okay. Now it broke. Victorinox broke. Victorinox Hunter Pro with wood handle. It didn't survive. Good steps at the car, okay steps. Opening beer bottle, pretty bad, so it didn't pass the beer test. The tip bended and it broke. Okay for the knife, it's not meant to do this, but here you can see the difference between the cold steel triad lock and the Victorinox lock. The locking mechanism is shit at this knife. Maybe it was damaged before, but you can see it here. Locking. It looks like a triad lock, but it is not. Of course it's not one. Yeah. The lock is fine for usual task, but when you hit it with the spine, you're gonna get hurt for sure. What I like on this knife is that there has no clips, trouser clips, absolutely none. That's good for me because when you stab, the clips always hurt. So this is a nice handle to stab, a bit slippery because of the wood, but all in all, nice stabber. No hot spots with this knife when you stab. You can see now it looks like new, but it's not new, of course. So the handle, when the handle broke, the handle is just this wood, this knife, and the locking mechanism again. Yes, it bended a lot, then it broke. For the edge retention is okay. The tip broke off quite easily during the tip session. But all in all, it's a cool knife, I would say. It's kind of a cheap steel, I think, but it's usually well made. That's for the Victorinox. See you, bye.